Alright, what's up YouTube? So, I guess you get to see my ugly keister for a second video today. So I just want to give a quick update because I did buy something on Amazon and I wanted to share it up as I open it and show you what I got. So we got this box here. I'm going to give it a quick open, see if I can do this with one hand. Tripod. And we've got an impact sprinkler. Alright. Quick connect, I'm not going to use that. So, ordered this on Amazon, I believe on Friday, because frankly I was tired of moving these impact sprinklers around everywhere. So, supposedly this one will cover up to, I think it said like 6,000 square feet, fully open. I'm trying to get this thing open with one hand here. Cut this open. There we go. Trying to open this up. Come on, meow. Alright, here we go. So we got our impact. Looks like I may have to get a wrench and tighten that down. Yeah, that's about all she's got. Yeah. So I've got that. Put that back in here. I don't remember what brand this is. Oh, there's Melnor 9620. So I want to put this out here and we'll fire it up. See if I can actually get some good watering coverage here. There we go. All the way opened up. Get this off. I might have to cut that off. I can get that in a second. I can hook it up right there. Here's our adjustments. So it should come around, should stop there. Come around, stop there. I want to spray the house, so move you over here. We'll go spray toward that way, come around, and we'll spray it about right there. See how far that'll spray out. So we'll get the hose, hook that up real quick. I hate these hose reels. These things always seem to get caught up. Then you get 20 feet out and you try pulling on it and it pulls the whole thing over. Real pisser offer. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, it's up there. We'll see how it does. Probably got to tighten everything down on still, so I'm probably going to get some leakage. Nobody likes leakage. We'll see what we'll do here. Definitely got some distance on it. So I could probably adjust the diffuser on it and go even further. Looks like it's pretty well open already. That's pretty much wide open. It's got some pretty good distance on it. Come on now, get the air out of the line. Kind of quiet too, quieter than my normal impact. Seems to do pretty decent. I like it. I'll keep moving this thing around, and we'll see if it'll reduce my time of watering, because I won't have to keep moving sprinkler heads around. I guess we'll see how it does, but initially looking at it, seems sturdy enough. It was a aluminum frame. The legs open up pretty decent. I threaded that in. No tools necessary. I could probably tighten it down a little bit more, but yeah, seems pretty cool. So I did happen to see this on the Facebook Lawn Care Addicts page. One of the other guys happened to get one of these and said it did quite a bit of coverage. So it's like, yeah, I need to get something like that to help me with the watering. So guess we'll see how this does.